Do you guys have a disgustingly dirty keyboard like me, or an even worse computer? Well, today we're gonna be reviewing an air duster, and it may be a little weird doing this on like a tech channel because it's kind of similar to a vacuum in a way, but believe it or not, us tech people need these, and we're gonna be reviewing this one by Meco Eleverde. I know I can't pronounce it, but this is the name right here. So here's the box with the name that I cannot pronounce. And it's not that big, which is good because we don't want a giant air duster in here. My room's not that big. So let's go ahead and unbox this and see what's in it. So here's our box. Let's go ahead and unbox the box. Got some styrofoam to keep it safe. And we have a little bag to put the air compressor in. And now is the moment you've all been waiting for. That's not that big, that's cool. That's actually about the same size as the one I used at work. And if you guys didn't know, I do computer repair. So this is basically something that you'd find out in the field, and it's priced very well. But the only difference is this is a better price. You have different modes here, which half the time I don't actually see. It's usually just like on and off, and we'll see how powerful this thing is. It is definitely not USB powered. This thing's gonna make a lot more power than something like that. So in the box, we get a few attachments that we could put on the tip. This attachment actually could be used to blow up rafts. So if you guys are going to the beach and stuff, this is something you could also use. Then here is another attachment to get like a more narrow stream of air. We have another filter, or actually a few filters for this. And then we have a little brush that shoots out air. So this is what we're gonna be using to clean my keyboard today, so I can show you how this works. Then just more attachments. This one's a lot bigger, so if you're trying to get somewhere that you can't reach, this is what this is for. And of course you get a little manual, but I think we're gonna be able to figure this one out. It's kind of like you just turn it on and use it. So now we're gonna have a live demo of what this thing can do. We're gonna be cleaning my gross keyboard because it needs to be done, and we're gonna see just how well this works. All right, so here is our little air compressor. This attachment that I was talking about earlier actually is for this. So it does narrow it down, but you're also able to put this on there so you guys can actually make it fit. Now, I'm gonna leave my keycaps on and see what this can do, and then I'll probably wanna take them off to actually give it a good clean because this thing needs it. All right, let's watch the power. Like when I turn this on full blast, I feel resistance in my hand. Like it feels like it's pushing me back a little. So not quite a rocket, but it's something. So I didn't exactly do before and after, but it seemed to get all the debris that was basically stuck in between keys. As of dusting, this isn't like a duster, but it will get a lot of the junk out. If you really want to get the dust like under here, you guys got to take the keycaps off and then brush over it with that little brush attachment. But anyways, this thing works really well. It actually has a lot of power. Anyways, that is my review on Meco's air compressor. This thing is pretty cool. It worked really well to clean my computer and even my keyboard. There's a lot of things that this could be used for, and for the price, it's a really good deal, especially if you build computers like me. You guys need to be able to clean those heat sinks out with something. Like always, the link to this product will be down below, so if you guys want to check it out and support my channel, that would be awesome. It's the same price if you guys use my affiliate link. It just helps me out a little. Anyway, see you guys on the next tech review.